Hey, what's up guys? Today in this video I will show you how to do hard reset of your Samsung Galaxy A23 if you forgot your password or PIN, or if I say how to open the recovery mode. So for that, let's dive into the video. For this updated method, first you need to connect your Galaxy A23 with your laptop or desktop, which should power on with USB cable. And then let me take it. Here you can see it's asking for PIN, which I forgot, so now I need to restart it. For that, place your finger on the volume down key and your thumb on the power key and press them together and hold until you see the power menu. Here select the restart, but phone will again ask for PIN or password. So again press the volume down key and the power key and hold them until phone restarts. Keep your hold on keys and you will see Samsung logo. After that, when you see the black screen, swipe your finger from the volume down to volume up key and hold both volume up and the power key until you enter into the recovery mode. And boom, finally we are in the recovery mode. In recovery mode, you can navigate here with only volume keys. So go down with volume down key. And here you will see wipe data / factory reset. Enter into it with power key. And here you have two options, cancel or factory data reset. Go to factory data reset and press power key to start this process. This process will delete your entire data including PIN, password and fingerprint. So that's how you can do hard reset of your Samsung Galaxy A23. If you found this video helpful, then please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. See you in next video. Take care. Signing off.